In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an A record for a domain name in your Namecheap account, step by step. This is a super useful setup if you want to point your domain to a website, server, or hosting provider, and it only takes a few minutes once you know where to click. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple website and DNS tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, sign into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look for the domain list option in the left side menu or main account area. Click on domain list to see all the domains you currently own. Next, find the domain name you want to update. When you see it, click the manage button next to that domain. This will open the settings page for that specific domain where you can control DNS and other domain options. Now, on the domain management page, look for the Advanced DNS tab and open it. This is where Namecheap lets you edit records like A records, CNAME records, and other DNS settings. Once the Advanced DNS page loads, scroll down until you find the Host Records section. In the Host Records area, click Add New Record. A menu will appear with different record types. From that list, select A record. This is the record type you use when you want to point your domain to an IP address. Now fill in the record fields carefully. In the host field, enter the @ symbol. This tells Namecheap that you want to apply the record to the root domain, which means the main version of your domain without any subdomain in front of it. For example, this would apply to yourdomain.com. Next, go to the value field and enter your server or hosting provider's IP address. Make sure you type the IP address exactly as provided by your host, because even one incorrect number will stop the domain from pointing correctly. This IP address is what connects your domain to your website or server. For TTL, leave it set to automatic. TTL stands for time to live, and automatic is usually the best choice unless your provider specifically tells you to use something else. It helps keep the DNS settings simple and reliable. Once everything looks correct, click the green check mark to save the record. After that, Namecheap will store the new A record in your DNS settings. Now, the last thing to remember is that DNS changes do not update instantly everywhere. You'll need to wait for the DNS changes to propagate. In some cases, this can happen quickly, but in others, it may take a little while before the new record is visible across the internet. That's completely normal, so give it some time. And that's it. You've successfully added an A record for your domain name in Namecheap. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.